What's up, everybody? I'm back with another garden update. Got a few things going on. Let me show you what's going on. So everything's looking good so far. Stuff is looking vibrant. Spinach. These lettuces. This one. Nevada lettuce. But they all look good. These are beet greens. They don't produce beets, just the greens. And this thing, these bamboo stakes are so raggedy. We got some new stakes, some much better looking and some longer stakes. I'm gonna change those stakes out. But everything's looking vibrant. Those tomatoes, the strawberries are standing up looking happy. So are these tomato plants. The bush beans, nice and strong. These pepper plants are gonna go a few doors down where they can get some more sun. And these carrots are taking root. You can see they're standing up. All right, I got this new tree here. This tree is especially designed for light sun, or let's see, full and partial sun, stays compact, great in containers, so this is gonna be perfect. I'm gonna put this in a container and put it over in that corner over there behind where that strawberry tower is. I've also got some more strawberry plants I'm gonna fill in my tower. So this tree is a Sundinia Crimson Mandevilla. I'm gonna leave these stakes on there. So while a garden is absolutely fun, this is not just all fun. The intent with this is to grow food that I can actually use in the kitchen. I'm hoping at some point you'll see greens and herbs and maybe even some vegetables in the recipes on videos. Patio to plate. So like I said to you guys, I'm not an expert gardener, I'm learning. In the last video, I added additives to my soil. Let me explain why. I did a little research. The perlite helps with drainage, okay? The compost adds nutrients and it continues to feed the plant. Or add nutrients to the soil, and the soil feeds the plant. The worm castings, I don't know, I just heard that the worm casting is a natural way to make the plants happy. I'm learning. Got me some strawberry plants to fill in my tower. These bamboo stakes look crappy. Nice new. Get these tied together. So I got two new stands here for these pots. So I was on the hunt for these green onions. I couldn't find them. I finally found some. And I've got these cloth bags here. And I'm gonna plant them in these. All right, so I got the scallions planted. I think for now, I'm gonna sit them over here on this ledge, just for now, until I find a better place for them. I appreciate you guys watching today. If you haven't hit the subscribe button yet, please do that and hit that like button. I'll see you in the next video.